can eat so the friends at home. It's a legit. We're food shopping at Walmart.
Got 6 minutes.
6, okay. It's like we're on a time right here. I don't like getting ready. Look, can anyone please tell me why there's no Prime? I can really. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get Prime Energy. No, don't.
You need a ginger ale?
Yes, like a big one.
Yes, a scrappy of ginger ale.
This
Yeah.
kind of real
Yes.
kind.
That's real enough.
This is, but that's not. That was kind of heavy. I don't know why this is maybe carry a heavy thing. But, oh man. It's all, and I was getting harder to finish. There's water. We got some cool pants. It's all cute dresses. I was pretty much in my size. But guess what? They didn't look.
You like bagels?
Yes. I love bagels.
Let's get you some
I
bagels.
like how cream cheese. Yeah. Wait, what should I get?
Plain. Those look pale. Let's get these. Don't they look pale?
Yes. Look, friends, I'll tell the difference. So here, look. Ready? Basketball and trick shot. Trick shot. Oh, wow. Look, I got cheese. We might get this. It depends on how much it costs. Lisa always gets some concealer.
Want some milk?
Yo, why am I always supposed to get someone? Yes. Oh, you do it. Pale baby. Cookie down bottles body. Yeah, so the point wants to be like, stop filming in the store. If you got some pants. I'm a size cinch woven pants. Yeah, you see? Size cinch woven pants, baby. You see, grab some milk. You see, now, I'm gonna get a pizza lunchable and a nacho cheese. Get it? Nacho cheese, mystery. I was thinking about firing the mystery person as a camera girl for a while.
What?
But she was all aggravated when I was sitting in the car.
It's hot.
This is a little crazy bug. I was just sitting in there. She was like, oh, yeah. Oh, let me see. I got what?
For the Lunchables.
Do we have cheese at the house?
Yep.
We got cheese. I'm gonna get myself maybe a taco kit. I love tacos. I like chicken. I like fish. Stop liking shrimp, guys. I used to like it like 3 years ago. This is the kind we get when the chips with their packaging.
Yep.
Oh. I'm just gonna get one. How many of these would you have?
Just one. We have like 4 already at the house.
Oh yeah. Dripsticks. I love them. I'm about to buy these. Lucky Charms. I'm not a cereal head anymore. I don't even know if I'm gonna
Want some chicken?
Yeah, I love chicken. I love chicken.
Yes. Frozen.
This is something. Well, that's kind of. Next time I thought we were gonna get this, we have a food cart. That's not how they do that at school. School? What am I talking about? Yeah, like for example, one of the animal crackers says it was the best. There's some stuff I couldn't get. Well, like that cheese or some cheese balls. I'm gonna grab myself some Cheez-Its.
Want some crackers?
Yeah. I might grab myself like some Cheez-Its or some goldfish. Depends on what kind of goldfish I have. Can I go buy? What's the one? They don't have the kind of goldfish. I might have gotten if they had it. Nope, no, not the kind of goldfish.
So they got your extra cheesy Cheez-Its?
I like the original cheese. Oh, look! Scooby-Doo ones. I don't see the extra cheese.
What?
I don't see them. What do I grab? That kind
We
of
can go to
original.
another store and get the extra cheesy kind if you'd like.
Perfect. Next thing we're doing is Scooby-Doo cheese. So what else I eat? Because I'm always hungry, like really always. I wish I had like $1 million. I would have got Takis. I want to try these Taki chips. What else? Do we have pepperonis? No, I know because I didn't like the pepperonis at the house.
Okay, well we'll have to grab some.
And some chicken fajitas.
Yes. That basket is heavy.
What else heavier than me? Probably do on the video.
Alright.
So, Snackers, look. Who is that, guys? What do y'all know?
So heavy. Oh,
Oops. Look, there's
Bloopers.
everything they have, like, and we actually just went to BJ's and it was like, oh, awkward.
Stop for traffic.
Now he goes, like I'm trying. I like so much food, it's not so much. I like noodles, tacos, pepperoni, bacon, fish, not a lot. I like hot pockets, ice cream. My favorite. But see, these always get tacos that was cheaper. I'm trying to tell her like these ones better just because I like the packaging. Which one looks better then? If you're a plain cheapskate, not really plain cheapskate, but if you like boring cheapskate, you like this. But if you're like bright and color, you would like this. Which one is your favorite?
That one.
I'll say bright and colorful. Those bloopers.
Where to?
The frozen foods.
Frozen food.
Those for the hot pockets and the ice cream.
Do you want to see if they got some gushers or fruit snacks?
Oh yeah, I love those. I love it.
Alright, bye guys. We'll check back later. Bye guys. She's going crazy.